Next, we will create and adding a sliding menu. In Bravo, you can choose from different type of menu design. This includes sliding menu, tab menu, model menu. In example, we will demonstrate how to add a sliding menu. Okay. Which our menu that you choose from design, the process is exactly the same. So we will with the same step. Click on the frame. Okay. Then you want to create a iPhone Pro Max and the achieve, and then click here. We have a this one. So you want to bring it at the front of page. You can use you can click and drag and click press the spacebar to drag all the uh, artboard. So now we want to create a menu screen. So in the description below, we will find an we will add a new edit screen, uh, and then we before that we want to change this one to menu. This frame to menu. Which one? Okay, this one. So iPhone Pro Max, we change this the layer name as a menu. Double click, type menu, page. So we will use next. We will create the sliding menu. Next, we will add a container using the frame tool. In this case, we will draw a vertical rectangle snapping into both top and bottom left corner. So here's frame tools, this one, and start from the top, and we drag the some. Okay, zoom. It's okay. You can adjust to fit the artboard. Okay. Next, we will create a rectangle. So the rectangle doesn't matter, but it should reach the right hand side. We do this that when the user slide the menu, they can see side over the app screen and actually see the app screen in on the ground. So we create a rectangle again, then drag from the top corner and then drag. So you can change again. You can change the size here. Okay, before we continue, let us analyze the layer. We have a menu page, frame menu page, and we have a frame one. Then we have a rectangle. So next we will create a icon in the menu. So we're adding a menu items. We add in our sliding frame. We add some different menu item. For example, we add the home page and list page. For each menu item, we will add icon and text. For the icon, we use again we use a feeder icon plugin, just like we did in our top bar edition. We will use the text tool and to add a text. So again, on the uh, frame menu, roll over the frame menu and then right click, and then please choose the plugin, then choose a feeder icon. So in this case, we will create, we will use a home button. Which one is home button? Home button. Which one? This button. Okay, this one home button. Okay, click this one. Click the home button. Then bring the uh, home button inside the and then we first the vector must be inside the must inside the frame. So we delete this first. Okay, again inside the menu page, right click and use a plugin and feed the icon. Oops. So use the button. Okay, we click on the home button. So you can see it's a layer home, and then we have two vector. Then you can select this one. After you select the home home frame, home layer, and then after that you bring to the frame menu page. Okay, then you can uh, change the size. Okay, again so let's analyze our layer. We have a home. Home. Okay, this is a home that we create just now. The frame home. We can delete one because we want just one home with the vector. This one. So we click on this one and then we delete. Okay. The next, we'll select the home layer, home button layer. Okay, we rename this one. So click home button. Okay, and then we select this one, click the button to select a vector. Then we right click the icon and then you choose a outline stroke. Okay, and then you can see the outlines, the vector is they have a stroke. Yeah. Then you put a text. Okay, use your text tool and click inside this menu. But I want to change to default. It's okay. Here is a home. And zoom it. Want to make it bigger, you can change here. Okay, the next we want to create a list button. Okay, same with the video just now. Uh, Click in the menu page first, and we choose list button. So where's the list button? Uh, this is the button. So we click this button. And we have a list button, and then we can change the size. Okay, and then we bring this button inside the menu. Okay, again, we will change to outline. Right click, then create the outline stroke. Okay, kalau kita tengok sini, kita dah masa sebelum kita drag, lepas tu kita kena dah tertinggal dia punya frame ni. Sepatutnya vektor-vektor ni dalam list ni. Okay, jadi kita boleh undo Z. Okay, so kita kena select list ni frame list ni, dan kita baru kita drag. Sepatutnya kita punya list ni dalam frame frame 1 ni, dalam frame 1 ni. Okay, kita tak nak ganggu lain, kita lock ini dulu lah. Okay, kita select list ni, dan kita nak adjust list ni bagi dia tengah sikit. Okay, kita unlock balik ni. Okay, kita boleh bawa ni ke dalam frame menu page list masuk dalam page. Kita kena ada menu page, dan kita ada masukkan dalam frame 1 ni. Jadi kalau kita tengok analyze kita punya ni, dia akan ada menu page, dia ada frame 1, dia ada list. Dalam frame 1 dia ada list, dan dalam list ada vektor-vektor ni, dan dia ada home, dia text home, dia ada home button, Ini kita list button je. Jadi kita ni nama dia list button. Ada home button. Home button dia ada rectangle. Dia ada vektor, stroke vektor, dan rectangle ni adalah yang warna ni. Okay. Dan kita akan buat satu text. So list using a text tool. Here, type list. Okay. Jadi kita pastikan sekarang ni kita punya button ni kita dah tukar berstroke belum? Kita check kat sini. List button kita. Okay, dah stroke ni. Online. Okay, jadi kita untuk bahagian untuk kelas. Okay, jadi kita akan lihat untuk latihan seterusnya dalam video seterusnya.